Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and navigating directly to data and privacy. Once there, open General Preferences for the web so you can reach language and input or region settings. This is where currency ties to locale. Make sure to use a desktop browser if possible for full controls. You'll see language and region controls that influence currency display. Next, prepare to change region or currency settings. This immediately affects how search and shopping show prices. Once in region or language settings, choose the country or language that uses the currency you want. Selecting a region is the primary way Google sets currency. If you see a dedicated currency toggle in search or shopping preferences, change it there too. After selecting, click Save or Done and sign out, then back in if prompted. Make sure to allow a few minutes for Google services to update. If you use multiple devices, repeat change on each where account sync isn't automatic. To finish, verify by searching for product prices or viewing shopping results and confirm the displayed currency matches your selection. If the old currency persists, clear browser cache and cookies or sign out and sign back in. This forces updated settings to load. If problems continue, try in an incognito window or another account to determine whether this is an account-level or device-level issue. One quick tip: check any VPN or IP-based locale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.